me Giselle, and today I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be making these Cystal bath salts, and it says factory, and this is going to be really fun and I'm really excited to do this. And if you want to make any type of bath salts, beware to have a little bath salt container, and I've got this one here, but don't worry about the excess in there. I can easily add it into there because it is bath salts. So yeah, if you guys want to keep on watching this video, please subscribe, and also give this video a like and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video like this one. So let's start getting into the box. Okay, so you just want to pull this thing jig, and you just get this from Kmart in Oxenford. It's got a little instruction catalogue. We have some sea salt bottle. We got some citric acid and a warning, so that could burn your hands, so yeah, watch out. And then we've also got some sodium bicarbonate. I don't know how to say it. We have this little container, probably to mix. This other little container to store them in. And it's got like gloves in here, food colouring, and these really cute stickers. And also these 3 cups here. And then it just has like Cystal bath salts factory warning, and it says you can't don't have this under 8. And let me just set it up, and then let's start getting on some of that. So now we've got to be safety first. Put on your gloves so then you don't get any bicarb soda or like citric acid on your hands, because that would be really bad. I have my gloves on, and that was the procedure behind the scenes, so just realize these are hard to get on. And now I've set up the whole entire surface, all set up nicely, and let's just start opening up the catalogue. Everything's on top of it. Okay, so here is the catalogue of the instructions, and it looks like this, kind of like the box, but onto paper. So this is what it says. It says what is in your kit: sea salt, all of this. And now let's start introducing it. Okay, here's the start. Number 1, use the large spoon to scoop out some sea salt into each of the 30ml beakers up to the 5ml mark. So you want to put all of the 3 cups here, and you want to put a massive scoop of sea salt up to 15 mils. So here is the scoop. Now I just want to get bath salt or sea salt, and you want to put it on the spoon, and then you want to do it up to each one on 15 mils. I'm sweating in these gloves. I just finished the 3 cups and filled them up. And then the second instruction says, add the jar 3 drops of colour, 3 drops of fragrance, and half of the glycerin. We use red colour to make our salt scrub, but you might need to try yellow or green. Okay, so that's for this size one. Now we're going to put 1 drop of red, because it must be strong, something like that. Open it up. Like that. And you want to carefully put 1 drop in 1 cup. and that's why you have to wear gloves, because one drop just went on my finger, but no worries because I've got gloves on. And now you just want to continue that with the rest. Then just to make sure you only put 2 drops of the yellow and green and 1 drop of the red, because I'm sure the reds might be too strong. And now I'm up to adding my glycerin and my lavender. And I'm pretty sure you do 3 drops of these in each one. And then you put 3 drops of the glycerin. Like that. And then it says use your stirring stick to carefully mix the salt for about 2 minutes, making sure the ingredients are mixed really well. So you just want to do that. To each one for about 2 minutes. So I would say that's the longest part of the kit so far, and the reason why it probably says only 1 drop of red is because it makes this really light dark pink color. And the next step is number 4. Screw the lid on and have a lovely bath time to treat yourself or a gift for someone special. So I'm just going to start pouring it into this little thingamajig here. I don't know what it's called, but it's really cute. And then you just want to pour your bath salt in. Carefully. And that is how it should look. And you want to screw on the lid, and then you can give this to a nice gift for one of your friends or to treat yourself really nicely in the bath. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I would definitely recommend trying this out. It's just at Kmart at Oxenford. It's probably at any type of Kmart or Target, and yeah, it's just from Brainy Kids, so you can check it on their website. I'll try and put the links in the description below, and yeah, bye!